We are going to prepare eggless crepe, a basic recipe for several dishes which we will see in upcoming videos. Now let us check out the ingredients. Milk, all-purpose flour or maida, water, melted butter, oil, vanilla essence, sugar. Let us prepare the crepe batter. Melted butter, milk, vanilla essence, vegetable oil, sugar. Mix all these together. Water. Add the flour little by little. Salt. Batter is ready. Drizzle butter. Pour a spoonful of batter. Spread the batter. Cook in medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes or until it turns golden brown. Gently swap the side. Now transfer it to a plate. Drizzle any syrup or honey